dance is a social event. The dances are called sets. The atmosphere is informal and relaxed. Despite the effects of modernisation, house dances are still held.
The old musicians would always say that if a player couldn't play for a dance and a set, he couldn't play at all, which was a very cruel way of looking at things. But it certainly did transpire that any player that couldn't put the music comfortably under the dancer's feet, he was thought to be just an awkward, bad player, maybe.
So the dancers were calling the tune?
To a large degree, yeah, because dancing was so popular. Every part of County Clare, right back into the peninsula of Clare. There were different sets danced, but it was dancing and music next, you know. They used to say, you stuck the dancers to the ground, and that would be the greatest insult on a musician. You stuck the dancers to the ground.